Hey, y'all. Hey. All right, so listen to me. Diane, when you're talking, you got to look at that little button right there. See that? Right over there.
I don't see no button.
Not a button, but I'm just saying that's when you know you're talking.
The little black spot?
Over there. That's the camera.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, right. All right, listen. Yeah, I'm at my sister's house, so we got to get this shit. I got to get her out the fucking. I mean, she ain't got to leave. You ain't got to go home, but. Well, anyway.
She don't know who I am.
She don't know who you are. Okay, so I made this gumbo. So Diane is gonna taste the gumbo, y'all. We're gonna taste it with y'all, and can they see the gumbo? Do they need to see the gumbo?
No,
Wait, let's pull up our yummy. Let's pull up our yummy.
They just need a.
Here's our yummy pots. There's our yummy pots.
I already took a picture of it.
Okay, here's the yummy pots, and there's a gumbo and the yummy pots. Okay.
Father, we thank you for this food we're about to receive in our body. Amen. Thank you for
the Hallelujah. All right, y'all. So listen, we about to taste the gumbo. I already know what the fuck it tastes like.
I don't.
She don't. And she gonna tell, wait, Dan, before you eat it, you gotta tell me the damn whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you
Don't
what?
Don't worry.
So help you what?
Don't worry, because you know what? Gumbo and pork chops. I'm a connoisseur. Okay.
All right, bitch. Come on, let's go. Let's get with it. Ooh! Shit. What? What?
Yeah. It's good, y'all.
Get gangsta with it.
It ain't good as mine, but it's good. Ooh, it's spicy too.
Ooh, Get gangsta with it.
And this has turkey, not chicken. This has
Turkey.
turkey from.
Yeah.
Oh my God. It's delicious.
Is it good? Okay.
Yes.
Now I can eat mine, y'all. Shit.
Sorry, y'all can't have none.
Ooh.
Hello.
That's that roux.
The perfect color. Got the swimps in here.
Them scrimps up in there, y'all.
Only thing not keto about this is the rice.
Is the rice.
But we
That's
just got
it.
a little bit of rice. Okay.
Because that spelt flour is very keto friendly. You know, it's not keto, but it's more than the all-purpose people. Them all-purpose people.
You didn't push yours back, but I'm gonna hold mine.
No, go on and do your yummy. Go on and do your yumminess. Let me talk to the people. Hey, y'all. Okay. Who's on here? Let me see who's. Oh, damn, Diane, go on, girl, get it. Let me move on the side. Look, let me move.
What?
I said, let me move on the
you still
side.
got me on there? Oh, shit. Whew. We got just enough spice.
Is it good?
It's delicious, y'all.
Now, y'all, this is another.
Sorry you're not here.
This is
I have
another
the bites for
gangster.
you.
There's another gangster chef here. Let me tell you what it means to be gangster. What it means to be a gangster chef, which I have my new t-shirt line coming. Wait, did I show y'all? Wait a minute, my new t-shirt line. Hold on. Hopefully my breasts don't come out. Okay, great. Okay. Here's my new I Am Gangster in the Kitchen t-shirt line. Y'all see? Wait, what the? There's no indentation of my...
Fuck that. Look at my t-shirt.
Okay.
Full, half empty, empty. Hello.
Okay, this breast t-shirt time. Okay, so we got two t-shirt lines going. Full, half, and empty. But I have Gangster Chef t-shirts. But here's the thing. Bottom line. We got two gangster chefs here. And I'm so happy that you like it. And I wanted you to tell me, you know, to be really truthful. Because, you know, when I have other people eat my food, they're not really people that cook. They're people just eat, right? So as a gangster chef, Diane is also a bartender, mixologist, and a caterer. And, you know, she's done a lot of events in Los Angeles. So, Diane.
It's good.
It's good? Okay. All right now. Well, I'm so excited about that shit. Because, you know,
Right.
I know I love my food.
Two things I'm connoisseur of.
Okay.
Gumbo and some fucking pork chops, okay?
Ooh, what?
Pork chops and gumbo is my thing. If they took every food off the earth, let me have gumbo and pork chops. And this is good.
And here's what's interesting. I didn't know that. Because I would have had some pork chop. No. Because pork chop is one of my favorite dishes. I'd have smothered some pork chop and fuck you up in here.
You need to stuff some.
Stuff it with.
Pork chop.
Okay.
And I hate I missed those eggs with the shrimp deviled eggs. I hate you didn't do that.
I know it's coming later.
We didn't have time.
We didn't have time. I know. But I'm gonna do some stuff, pork chop, and you know, I'm gonna have to, you know, just tag you because you know you're all the way here, and well,
yeah. I'm still trying to make those avocado burgers.
And what was
you remember when you did the avocado burgers?
Yeah.
I've been threatening to make them, but I haven't made them yet.
Why?
Avocados never last that long. We be eating them up. But I'm gonna make that's something that I want to make that you did. Yep.
All right, y'all. Well, you're tuning live with a gangster chef and another gangster chef.
The tasty right now.
Yeah, and this is what I do, and I love what I do. What? So a little food for thought for you guys. It is to build your roux. To build your roux and be cognizant about who you add to your roux. The roux is a metaphor for your life, and it means to really be really conscious about who you take into 2020. Hindsight is 2020. That's my tour that I'm about to start. And what that means is that, you know, it's behind you. So what are we going to bring forward? And what are you going to take forward with you? Because as you would say is, you know what, hindsight is 2020. That means what was behind me I can see now. So what are you going to do now?
Bring it.
Gonna bring it, baby. We're going to bring it. And yes, it's okay to say that I want to have money and wealth in my life. I want to have health. I want to have great relationships. All of that you can mix into your roux.
And don't forget about love.
And love. That's love.
Always.
Absolutely. Love is the foundation. I love that. Thank you, Diane.
Hey.
Thank you,
I'm
boo.
in love with
That's
love.
why we're here.
I'm in love with
Because I
love,
love
baby.
you.
And I love you.
I love you too.
Hey, Karen.
Hey, Karen. All right, y'all. So find your roux. Let's get our roux together and meet us back here with a gangster chef. And who knows whose kitchen I will show up in next time. Might be Tyler Perry. Because, you know. Oprah, maybe. Because listen.
I'm going to make that bitch a lemon drop she ain't never had.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
That motherfucker. But you know you're going to add some tequila. Because you know she like tequila.
But you know what? Somebody, it was Rhonda, came to visit last week. She said, give me a margarita with Hennessy. How about a Hennessy margarita?
No, nobody want no black dark stuff.
I know, but you know, people that like dark, they think they can handle it and stuff. They like that dark.
See, Oprah like tequila.
The bomb margarita, the bomb lemon drop.
Hello. So here's the thing. My cooking show is going to be picked up somewhere. I particularly like Tyler Perry, his studio, what he stands for, and nobody yet has the best cooking show yet. And I want to be the Gangster Chef cooking show, and I get to choose who I want to be with. Is it Ellen? Ooh. Is it Tyler Perry?
She on my Instagram too. I love her.
Right. Is it the OWN network? I'm just saying, all of them. The Gangster Chef come through. Because I am about all of what they do. I'm about bringing purpose, love, and focus. Yes, indeed, and some good food. What? All right, y'all. I love y'all. Have a good one, and hold your hands up. Hold your hands up while you're choking.
Oh, it's spicy. It's good, though.
All right. All right, y'all. So that was a gumbo tasting, and at my sister's house in Houston, Texas, and I want to thank my sister Donna for allowing me to cook gangster style in her kitchen with some unfamiliar motherfuckers.
Yes.
And the owner of Tiny Tree. I love my brother-in-law. He is the founder of the Little Tiny Tree. Y'all see Little Tiny Tree? Where is she? Where's Little Tiny Tree?
Girl.
Where's it? Oh,
it's spicy.
there's Little Tiny Tree. Little Tiny Tree.
And it's so cute.
It's so cute. I love Little Tiny Tree. All right, y'all. Mwah. I'll see y'all later.
Corn.
Bye, y'all.
I went down the roadside.
Shit.